जेब में पैसे होने चाहिए, वॉलेट से क्या
Oh,
है।
I truly agree with that.
देखो इतना हेल्थी ब्रेकफास्ट है और खा क्या रही है।
The only person you choose is your partner. So that should be a wise decision. A lot of times you see the red flags, you see it won't work, but you're willing to ignore them in that moment.
A car really gives me joy whenever I sit in this car. Your disappointment is disappointing, you know that? ये reindeers हैं?
Yes. See, they're pretty nice quality. Put them up.
Business is booming. हाँ? और ये क्या है? हाँ, this I like. This I like. This is a nice touch.
So we'll get bigger wreaths also.
Bigger ये क्या होता है?
बड़े
Wreath.
रीत क्या होता है?
इसका बड़ा
रीत।
Wreath.
अच्छा, जो कॉफिन पे लगाते हैं।
हाँ, coffins पे भी होता है.
हाँ, ये मुझे अच्छा लगा।
But these are Christmas wreaths.
हाँ जी, we are headed out for dinner after ages, I think.
It's my first dinner. No,
चलो first dinner कुछ भी।
second or third dinner after I've come back from the US. No more than that.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं जाते। We'll go out for a drive, have a drink or something. But we don't.
Proper dinner.
Proper dinner. और आज भी काफी late हो गया। But Christmas vibes, baby. Yeah, we'll just go have.
I think this is because it's year end. It's all holiday time, so we're just taking a break.
मैं तो पहली बार बहुत definitely holidays को seriously ले रहा हूँ। Life में पहली बार। Yeah, because I think I've worked this year, यार. To be honest, yeah. No one's carrying a wallet for some reason except Jasmine Kaur. And she's carrying this Napa Dori wallet, which is it's a Kotak. The Kotak sent it to me with my solitaire thingy. Good, yaar. I like how minimal you are.
I don't know whether you mean it as a compliment.
जेब में पैसे होने चाहिए, वॉलेट से क्या
Oh,
है।
I truly agree with that. I told you this morning only, na. I don't care about bags and all. I care about having money.
पैसे होने चाहिए जेब में। What is this dude doing here?
Please, it's yam kulcha, not yam kulcha.
He said yum kulcha.
Yeah, but it's yam.
चाचू मिलने भी नहीं आई थी हमें।
भाई नींद बहुत प्यारी है डैड को अपनी।
Man, ended up sleeping at 3:30 in the morning because I was editing the YouTube video. दिमाग मेरा चल नहीं रहा था, so it's not even a good edit, I think. But anyway, I managed and uploaded and slept. So I've just woken up, have to go out, see a junior from Toon School. He wants to see me, so we'll go have a coffee. And उसके बाद क्या करना है? Chill करेंगे. Today I'm very happy I've woken up around now. But I need to figure out a way on how to get YouTube going because if I have a full day and I'm chilling at night, which will happen sometimes, right? Then how do I get the video out? Because I'll be in Chandigarh. All day I'll be with fam chilling, then we'll do a dinner. उसके बाद अब मैं आधी रात बैठूँ editing करने, वो मैं बैठ जाऊँगा. The waking up is not the hard part. Then the next day is screwed, right? So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But yeah, glad to sleep in. Now let's eat some breakfast. Quinoa, chane, and brox, and this is tofu rolls. Yum. That's a nice breakfast. और वही Christmas vibes, नींद आई अच्छी?
Yeah, I slept a lot.
You know, this is something I appreciate the most. This dip and this ketchup is all homemade. दोनों घर की बनी हुई है. Yeah, usually it's the dips that are the unhealthiest, right? So that's the best part. चाय परिंदर क्या कर रही है तू? Veg minutes. बैठ जा यहाँ बैठ जा.
मैं बैठ जाती हूँ कभी।
देखो इतना हेल्थी ब्रेकफास्ट है और खा क्या रही है?
पराठा मलाई।
कुछ भी नहीं खा रही है सब.
This is the gloomy मौसम effect.
है ना छाछ? छाछ को भी नहीं दे रही है वन
With
बाइट.
चाय साथ में।
मिट्टी मिट्टी चाय नाल.
Your parents, you don't choose them. Your siblings, you don't choose them. Your kids, you don't choose them. The only person you choose is your partner. So that should be a wise decision.
But when everyone marries, they think they're making a wise decision. कोई कुएं में willingly तो कूदता नहीं.
I think all of us have like.
वो hindsight में कुआं निकलता है.
Nahi, I think a lot of times you see the red flags, you see it won't work, but you're willing to ignore them in that moment. Most of the things that don't work out at the end, if you look at, there were signs right in the beginning. You just weren't willing to look at them at that point.
So I think the true skill is extrapolation in life. So with that lens, I think the true skill becomes extrapolation, that your baby steps today don't look like much, but what are they going to look 5 years down the line? Those red flags don't look like much today, But what do they look like 5 years, 10 years down the line?
And everybody says this, like when you're in that dating phase, like when you're talking to somebody, all the tiny things that you don't like, remember they'll be multiplied 20 times when you're married to that person.
But perfect तो कोई भी नहीं होता ना.
So you have to, no one's telling you to pick fights and everything, but you give fucks about a limited number of things.
But those should be non-negotiable.
Those should be non-negotiable.
Like respect, compassion.
Yeah. And no one's saying that start fighting over how a person dresses up and everything. Like not everything. You can't. We can choose your battles.
Anji, now we're headed out. Cup of coffee with a school junior, a brilliant young man. So that's the plan. Happy winter holidays. Let's go. Okay, one more thing. A lot of people say when you're younger, don't buy that expensive car. Even when you're older, don't buy that expensive car. It depreciates. Why would you do this? India does not have the roads. I would argue because India does not have the proper roads and because the traffic and there's so much noise, you need an even better car to sit in. Firstly, subject to your budget. Secondly, honestly, a car really gives me joy whenever I sit in this car. My commute is going to be just 2 kilometers one way. So it's not that long a commute, but whenever I sit in this, I feel good. That feel good factor is so amazing. So that is why I would say if you can get a nice car, do it. बाकी सारे खर्चे रोक लो, because for me a nice car matters. For me जूता मैं Adidas का पाया हुआ, so it's not that all that precious, but you get what I'm saying. I don't experiment with the menu a lot. I got the same thing every time. Gangsta.
Christmas shopping.
She's like, can Karan increase the budget? I said, I would only not stand for increasing the budget.
अब इतनी जगह करना है.
अब तो पेड भी नहीं ले रहे, तो इंक्रीज क्यों करना है बजट? यार डैडी ये काम के लिए नहीं आती, संडे शॉपिंग के लिए आ रखी है. कभी इसको खाती खाती कर दे. जॉन्स. यस, उसको खाती खाती करो. Oh, sweetie pie. They sent 2 concepts now for the video. Now I'll have to make a video on True Basics ka. So the second video of the month is pending. Enjoying consuming it as well. Baki, I like physical paper. I can't do digital sheets. That's why I've asked Vani to print it out for me. Every script has to be printed out. Sometimes even emails I like printed out. I can't do. I like paper, man. I can work very well with the paper. That's what I'll do. Easy peasy, relaxed day. Lunch में तो बिल्कुल प्रोटीन नहीं था. तो मुझे शेक बना दो. Proper smoothie. Peanut butter डाल देना. Protein smoothie time. Because lunch was curry. I barely ate anything. Smoothie was totally dope, man. So good. Tad, kitchen ही ना कर रही तू. देखो जी, देखते देखते होगी है शाम. This is how everything is looking. The office looks hella charming. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ research ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਜੀ stocks ਦੇ ਲਈ. We'll just go through all random stocks. ਸਵੇਰੇ ਉਠਾਂਗੇ ਜਲਦੀ. 5:30 ਉੱਠ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ. We'll take a shower, pray. Today is a good day of rest and this is also very important. See you all later and thanks for joining. I'm also tired. कुछ order कर ले.
Chal idea de. Listen, idea de Vani.
Don't look at Vani right now.
Vani said I've already ordered too many things for you guys.
Christmas decor पे लगी हुई है Vani Singh.
जैसे तो जन्म मनाएंगे.
Honestly, this is so.
Beta Shahidi Divas when you're decorating your house.
So that doesn't mean I'm not
OTP.
into the spirit of Shahidi Divas. 330928. I'm totally mindful of that also. Now let's pack these. Pack these नहीं. Assemble these. ठीक लग रहा है. Order कर ले कुछ.
I don't know, Karan. You stay in Dehradun. Not tell me something.
Bro, I don't eat out. So yesterday these guys were spending like 6-7K on a Christmas the paid, and Bapu's like, "What are you doing? Don't waste money." I was like, "I'm not paying for this, right?" And then he sent a live paid. अब मैंने तो बड़ा सोना लग रहा है. Live. Let's go. Bro, it's fine.
But this is a Christmas tree actually.
This is, yeah, bro. It's
Leaving by पूरा gate.
yeah, because Vani को खर्चा करने का मौका नहीं मिले ना.
No, but I think it's an actual tree. That's why.
Yeah, hi Gaga Chundar. Okay,
Like this in my house. ये तो मैं घर से लाया.
Vani, respect. I like it. I like natural things more than plastic ones.
That is there. Now
Awesome.
you need to figure out how to decorate the
वानी जो order हो गया वो हो गया उसी से होगा.
One is disappointed.
नहीं.
No, Vani.
Your disappointment is disappointing. You know that.
और
हाँ.
कुछ रोस्ट करना हो तो.
नहीं अच्छा, I like it. थोड़ा सजाओ, ये थोड़ा मर सा रहा है. इसको जिंदा करो यार. कितना ही उसमें वाटर आ रहा होगा, इसको घास में लगाते हैं. By the way, we checked for Vastu. A Christmas tree is excellent for your house, okay? Yeah, anyway, we'll just plant this. Yeah. See you guys later.